Going for a skid, bud! This episode, I'm going to Japan. We are in Australia. We're going on a little ride tomorrow. This place is insane. A little more subtle, but very custom.
I'm having fun.
Me too. Beautiful day today. It is a Friday. I'm heading up to the Cactus Jalopy car show up in Osoyoos, British Columbia, and it's going to be an awesome little getaway. I'm going to run up there with my brother and his wife and their little puppy. My puppies are staying at home. It's too hot for them. Up in Osoyoos, it's kind of like a bit of a desert. So anyway, we're going to run up there. It's about a 4-hour trip. I am trailering the hot rod because I'm going to sleep in the truck. We're going to go like kind of camping while we're there as well. Buddy Kyle's going to meet us, and we're going to meet up with Matt, maybe a few other guys. It's going to be a wicked little trip here. So anyway, I'll show you some sights along the way. We'll have a good time. Cactus Jalopies is a 4-day event. It's got shop tours, there's a meet and greet. The car show's on Saturday at the beachfront. There's tons of cruising. The final stop after the Friday garage tour is Ken's property. This guy is a legend. He has a beautiful, beautiful farm that's kind of overlooking the Similkameen Mountains. There's vintage cars, motorcycles, engines, and even like salvaged buildings that he's collected from all over the place. It's absolutely beautiful. Just a perfect backdrop for all these custom cars to stop off. Osoyoos is right on the US border, so people from all over BC and the US come to this show. Even a few cars from California made their way up. So we passed you and you just like hopped in your truck.
Yeah, I just like,
Once you figured that
fucking,
out.
that's Carl. Let's get in the car. Let's go.
Sorry, what's your name?
I'm Terry.
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 Nice wife.
Nice to meet you, Terry.
Nice to meet you.
That's Matt.
How's it going? Nice to meet you guys.
We're just heading up to JF's for a little after party camping.
Raise hell.
What's up? You guys can all go for a food. Least I can do.
Fun time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's pretty crazy. Just the view out the front when you're sitting in there.
Size, we got styles. Yeah. Find good ones though, you know how like rusty spare tires always are? Yeah, exactly,
Oh, buddy.
That's what it's for, right?
Yeah, 100%. Here we go. Watch this.
We're on the axle? We got straps, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be back. So good.
How's the Cactus Jalopies?
Oh man, Cactus Jalopies is amazing. It's kind of like one of the coolest car shows locally. Best venue, I don't know. Yeah. Pretty good.
It's gonna be a hard one to beat.
Yeah, pretty tough one to beat. We'll be back.